Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Ledger account. First, select the Ledger device that best fits your security requirements and budget. Once you have your device, carefully unbox it and ensure all components are present. Then, connect your Ledger device to your computer using the supplied USB cable to begin the setup process. Next, power on your Ledger device and select the option to set it up as a new device. You'll then be prompted to create a secure PIN code. Remember, this PIN protects your device, so choose something memorable but complex. After setting your PIN, the device will display your 24-word recovery phrase. Write this down precisely and store it safely offline. Now, download and install the Ledger Live application from the official Ledger website onto your computer. Once installed, open Ledger Live and connect your device. The application will guide you through a quick authenticity check to ensure your device is genuine. After verification, you can install the specific cryptocurrency applications you need directly onto your Ledger device. Finally, you're ready to fund your Ledger account. Open the desired crypto application on your device and in Ledger Live, then generate a receiving address. You can then send cryptocurrency from an exchange or another wallet to this address. Always double-check the address before confirming any transaction to prevent loss. Also, remember to check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.